Y'all see this? Oh my God, this is Just a Touch of J making love in V's kitchen, baby. Jesus! Fix it. So listen, y'all. Y'all know I only do what God tells me to do, right? So look at this right here. That's orange cauliflower, right? Little feta cheese, little mascarpone. You know, we got this orange glaze. Look at that. Ooh, scandalous. Like off a house party. Oh, I don't want to give you too much. Orange glazed scallops. Fresh oranges. Oh my gosh. All over that lobster tail, baby. Yes. Oh my God. If your girl ain't cooking for you like this, you better get yourself a new one. I'm trying to tell you. Tell her how to make love in V's kitchen. All she need is just a touch of J. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Yes, baby. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Yes. So we got orange glazed scallops. Over orange glazed lobster tails with orange cauliflower. Ooh, child. Do you see it? Download the Just a Touch of J mobile app. Yes, check out the Just a Touch of J fitness page. My name is RONI76 on Instagram, baby. Making Love in V's Kitchen on Instagram. My name is Ronnie, you know, Veronica's Guide to Making Love in V's Kitchen on Facebook. Check me out on Twitter, Tumblr, link in bio, whatever it is that you want to do. Check it out, though. Y'all see that? I'm about to get down, okay? Because my cleansing starts tomorrow, so I'm about to get down. Make sure y'all paying attention because I got this tall glass of chocolate milk that I have been drinking. I got that company, y'all, too, on the app. Make sure y'all check that out, all right? Check it out. I love you guys. Bye-bye.